Dylan, the Dyl-icious Destroyer Baker. Others bring chili. I bring the victory. This chili is so good it might make you rethink your life choices. And a word to my competition, second place is still respectable. When I stand in the kitchen, I'm the best there is. No one can mess with me.
Dylan, what will you do with your winnings?
Well, you know, I've got a ton of bowls back at home that I'll autograph later for you. So in the meantime, let's check out this Paradigm. So this Rear Kitchen 382 RK Paradigm, it's a 2026 model. This is what I like about it. If you're like me in the cooking and you need a lot of countertop space, you have it back through here. You also have residential size appliances. 4-burner stovetop here. You have a nice residential oven. You can fit a turkey in that thing. Plus, you have a nice residential size microwave. It's bigger than the one I even have at my house. Just crazy, but you also have storage all the way around. You even have it right up top here. Lots of space, lots of stuff to put in here. Your bowls, your plates, silverware. You got drawers for days. 12-volt refrigerator, freezer on the bottom. You do have a mid drawer for all your fruits and vegetables here, plus more storage up top. Your pantry is going to be here. Lily, I'm going to have you move over and then step back because you're right into the living room area. Did you notice the ottoman right there? You also have 2 fold-out beds here, so if people come over and you need a place to lay their head, especially after eating some delicious chili here, you've got a spot for them. You also have recliners right here, cup holders in all 4 corners. Check this out. They just pop right out, and you can also stow them away nice and easy. The ottoman opens up. You can put blankets, pillows, stuff like that in there. As you're looking across, you do have your smart LED TV, your fireplace, and as you start coming back this way, you have a half bath in here. So one thing I really like about this unit is you don't have to have people come through here. Now we're going to get to the good stuff. When you're walking up this way, you do have a pocket door. Keeps it nice, crisp, and clean as you come on back. Third AC is going to be in this thing. You have 2 ACs in the back, plus a fan back there. But now we're in the main living area. Your bed's going to be here. King size bed, it's in a slide. Pocket storage over there for books and whatnot. Plus a little shelf so you can put your cell phones, your CPAP, stuff like that on there. Over on the right-hand side, you're going to have your dresser. You have hidden storage up in here, so you can put your phones, your keys, your wallets, other stuff in there. Plus you have a spot to sit down, put your shoes on, and your socks. Keep coming back in. We're going to step into here. This is what I like, is how big this shower is, plus you have a seat here. I'm big. I can sit down on this thing. It's reinforced. Plus, ladies, you can shave your legs in here and have plenty of room. Right? Stand up, 6'2", got tons of ceiling height room. Your sink, storage, it's all going to be right there on the right-hand side. And then we're going to walk into the awesome front closet, and it is a true walk-in closet. Washer dryer prep on your left-hand side. Loads of hanging space. Plus, check out all the space that you can put for your shoes. You do have a laundry hamper right there. Keep your clothes nice and clean. Keep this thing really nice and out of the way. Let's take a look outside. Come on out. Now we're on the outside. 2026 Paradigm. Check it out. They've got a couple of nice new features through here that I'm going to run over with you, as well as touch on some of the things that they really do extremely well. 101-inch wide body. Look at that pass-through storage there. You can put a ton of stuff in there. 6-point hydraulic auto level. You have the strut assist stairs to the entryway. I don't have to touch it at all. It's super lightweight, easy to adjust. As you walk through here, you're going to have the new suspension. It's the TCS suspension underneath it. You're going to notice the orange struts on there. There's going to be coils behind there. So your ride quality is going to change drastically on this moving forward. You have almost like an independent suspension where it can absorb those bumps a little bit more. Plus Cooper H-rated tires on there. 2 big power awnings that are going to come out and give you plenty of room out here while you're hanging out, checking out, and eating some chili. The reason why I keep bringing up chili is because next weekend, on October the 11th, we're having a chili cook-off. You got to come out and take a look at it, and come out and vote to see who has the best chili, because you know I'm going to be the one. So come see me. See you guys.